Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to reset Instagram feed. If you're using Instagram and you want to reset your Instagram feed, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Instagram app and here just tap on the profile option at the bottom right. Then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right and here just scroll down and look for the option of content preferences. Select this option from here and here select reset suggested content. Then tap on next option here. Tap on reset suggested content. Then tap on reset again. So it will completely reset your Instagram feed. So it might take up to 2 or 4 minutes. So you just have to wait. And after once your feed has been refreshed, you just have to like the post of which category you want to watch. If you, for example, if you want to see only cars in your feed, so you can like cars, photos, cars, videos, and also correlating posts. Let's have a like this one here. You can also go to your Reels section and like reel of this type videos, or you can also try to follow anyone relating this type content. And after doing this, your Instagram feed will be customized. So in this way, you can easily reset your Instagram feed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.